education, and decision-making opportunities. We must address these disparities, recognize women's unpaid and undervalued contributions in the agriculture and agrarian reform sectors, ensuring they have equal access to the tools and economic opportunities they need to thrive. Overcoming women's marginalization and giving them financial independence are imperatives for the entire sector to thrive. As your senator since 1998, and I am grateful for the support of government leaders, of the bureaucracy, of DAR, and of women, and the men as well, for always making me at the top of every senatorial elections for 4 terms. As your longest serving senator, I will continue to advocate and empower women in the agrarian reform sector, in the agriculture sector, in our economy, and all areas of life, by recognizing our strengths, addressing the problems and challenges, and providing the opportunities they deserve, creating a more resilient, inclusive, and equitable Philippines. There are many more laws aside from those I mentioned which directly impact on the women